The social media giant and artificial intelligence company Meta Platforms is scheduled to report second quarter 2025 financial results after the stock markets close on July 30th, 2025. Investors want to know if they should buy this stock before the company announces earnings or wait until after the earnings announcement to buy this stock. Right, so Meta Platforms last updated investors on April 30th, 2025. And this was for the quarter that ended March 31st, 2025. It typically takes a company roughly a month, sometimes a month and a half, to gather all the information from the completed quarter and then report them to investors. That's why typically they will report earnings about 1 month or 1.5 months after the quarter is completed. So in this quarter that ended March 31st, Meta reported revenue growth of 16% to $42.3 billion. Of course, the company generates nearly all of its revenue from advertising. The more people on the platform, the more time they spend on the platform, is more opportunity for Meta to show advertisements and generate revenue. This is a very lucrative business model. The content that goes on Meta's platforms, the company doesn't really have to pay very much money for that content. People like yourself and myself go on the platform, post images, engage, make comments, interact, use the website, look at videos, and all of that is opportunity for the company to generate revenue. It's all user-generated content. And unsurprisingly, at this large of a scale, with over 3.4 billion daily active people, the company generated an operating profit margin of 41%, and that was up from 38% in the same quarter last year. That's an attractive operating profit margin. I would say a really strong operating profit margin that would be the envy of 95% of, if not 99% of businesses in the world would envy an operating profit margin of over 40%. So my proprietary valuation for Meta Platforms has the business worth $688. The current market price is $704. This is close enough where I say it's fairly valued. It's a fairly valued business at the current market price. And similarly, when I go to fiscal.ai, which is my preferred data source, they save me so much time. I love using their service. There's a link in the description if you're interested. It's trading at a forward price to earnings of 27.5. Should you buy before or after earnings? Since it's fairly valued, I don't see any big reason to buy before earnings. To lower the risks of missing out and lower the risks of the downside,
Click the link below to watch the full video.